guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give a detailed review on the Biotique product which I received recently. So let's get started. So I'm starting my base makeup with applying Biotique foundation. It's a magic care foundation in the SPF 15. So here I'm applying it all over my face and it has a really strong smell like some kind of almond oil, and I'm going to blend it with help of a brush. And I'm seeing here it has a really good coverage, so it gives something between medium to high coverage, not exactly high but something in between. So it is more like a very good BB cream, and it is just for rupees 140. So I will definitely recommend, if you like, you can try it on, and it's a really nice product. So next, for setting my base, I have to use Magic Compact Skin Lightening from the Biotique, and it has set my base really well. For the blusher, I have used the Biotique Bombshell lipstick in the shade pink. It is the light pinkish shade and it is blended and you can see the beautiful color. For the eyeliner, I have used the Starreyes eyeliner, and I definitely didn't like the liner because it took too much time to get dry and it's not a good product, so I would definitely not recommend you to buy. And this is the mascara from the Biotique. I'm going to mention the name in the description box, and this is also not waterproof. I don't know what's wrong with the eye product, and they are not really waterproof and nice. So here I'm using the same Bombshell lipstick all over my lips, and it's a really pretty nice shade. And I have applied a pair of lens, and here the end of my makeup. So here I've reviewed some of the products from the Biotique. Definitely, except the eye product, I like all the products. So except the eye products, I will recommend you to buy. So don't forget to check the description box about details of the product. So I have made a lot of effort to create this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.